Nature and technology coming together. Our next guest is doing some really cool, unique things called the living farming tree. He is the co-founder of a company called Hexagro, and he is Alessandro Grampa. Alejandro, right? Did I say that? Alessandro, or Alex, or that's easier. Alex, okay. Welcome into Tomorrow, Alex. How you doing?
Very good, thanks.
Tell me, first of all, a little bit about the company, Hexagro. What do you do? How did it get started? You're a co-founder, so obviously you can tell me that.
So we are a vertical farming company. We develop technology to allow anybody, anywhere access healthy food, basically. So this is one of our products. It's basically, imagine this as a different set of Lego bricks and different components that can be assembled in different shapes. In this case, we have the shape of a tree. That's why the product is called Living Farming Tree. We're using high pressure aeroponics, which is the most advanced technology for agriculture in this moment, basically.
Now, what makes it high pressure for aeroponics?
There is a pump down there that is pumping high pressure water, and in just a few seconds when the irrigation is going to come back here, I will show you how the nutrients mist is going to be sprayed from here. And this is basically like spoon feeding the roots.
Very cool. That's an interesting concept. Thus it's called the living farming tree. So what kinds of plants are we looking at here? And again, those listening on the radio, don't worry, come see the video when you can at intotomorrow.com. But talk to us as Chris pans the various living plants here. What kinds of things can you grow?
Sure. Well, right now we have a mix of rosemary and edible flowers. We were not able to bring our plants from Italy, unfortunately, because here there are problems with the borders. But anyhow, you can grow pretty much anything on here. Of course, the size is relatively limited, so you cannot really grow like something that is 2 meters high.
A stalk of corn, that's not going to work.
No,
right?
that's not the case for sure, but what we normally specialize on in Europe is that we focus on aromatics, we focus on medicinal plants, and we focus on leafy greens. So very spicy varieties, very things that you cannot really find on the market, and especially you don't need to kill the whole plant when you need to eat it. You just pick up something and you're always going to have it fresh.
Very cool. And of course now there's interesting lights we notice that are on these various devices as well. You can see it easier with your hand. And it's obviously a special light to help them grow.
Yep. So we're talking about LED for horticulture. So the plants don't really need like natural lighting. There are also sensors in the system so that if there is already a lot of natural light, they just they stop wasting energy, basically.
So the sensors know then to turn the light off or dim it and not have to be on all the time.
Exactly. And then with the software of this product, you basically select which plant is growing in which module, and it automatically downloads the recipe for growing so that you have automized and optimized irrigation and LED lighting.
Very cool. Now, is this something that's available on the market yet?
So we are working on the European market at the moment, but the product will be very soon available in the US as well. Many are asking us.
Oh, I'm sure, because it's very unique. It's also cool looking. Now, would this be something that you would typically have to keep indoors, or can you use it outside?
So this very product is for indoors. Okay. That's why the LED lighting and of course a lot of electronics. We do have our other products that are for outdoor as well, and you can find them on our website.
Very fine. And when it's available in the U.S., do you know yet how many U.S. dollars it might cost, or does it come in different sizes and configurations?
It will come in different sizes. We'll probably be starting from $500, $1,000 up to, and then you can modify it depending on your needs of cultivation.
And of course, visiting us at intotomorrow.com will get you to their website as well, and you'll see what Alex and his team are up to when you visit their site at Hexagro, Hexagro.
Yeah, it's
no
like
W.
Hexagon and agriculture.
There you go. So hexagro.io. We'll get you there again when you visit us, and you'll see pictures that Israel's taking, still pictures on our site, and of course the video as well, all at intotomorrow.com. Alex, thanks so much for spending a few minutes with us. Very cool concept. I think it's a unique idea where you're mixing tech with nature and coming up with some pretty cool stuff.
Thanks so much.
It's our pleasure. Much more from CES. I'm Dave Graveline. Stay tuned right here on the Advanced Media Network.